Hey guys, this will be the first video making a Burnout car out of a VN Calais. It's got V6. It's a 3.8 litre, just like the red one. I'm just going to show you cleaning out the interior because it's a bit messy at the moment. We're going to put all dash cloths in and shit. Not this video though. Clean out the interior. Got heaps of shit in the boot. Just clean all that out. And then we're going to be taking the exhaust off, and then it's almost ready to take up to some land where we'll be off-roading in it and doing some sliding and shit, so that should be pretty good. Alright, here's the footage, guys. I've cleaned out the boot. Now I'm going to clean out the interior, and then after that move on to the exhaust. Alright, we've also put on another mirror because it was fucked. It's all in well now. Cleaned out the interior a bit. There's still some just loose nuts and shit on the floor. And now we're just gonna do the exhaust. Probably have to move the car off the grass though. Yeah, here's the engine. It's got a pod filter. Just put the battery in so that we can move it to where we're going to jack it up. Then we'll jack it up, take the exhaust off. I'll give you a sound of it with the exhaust on and then without the exhaust, so you can see the comparison. Yeah. Alright, so we're taking the exhaust off, as you can tell from the sound. I'll be showing you where we took it off from. Took it off from just there. Later on we'll just be doing some more stuff, like putting switches on it for the fuel pump and ignition. We're going to change the springs back to standard ones because these ones are cut. And it's not really ideal. And a few other things, and I'll just be showing you the progress. Alright, thanks.